Hello everyone, and come back with another some interesting online courses that are on Udemy, and they are free and paid also. You want more information related with the online courses? Subscribe channel CourseAvatar and click on the bell icon to get updated. Anyway, let's get started. So here is the first course is understanding TypeScript is a new edition of Udemy, and here you will gonna learn about the React, TypeScript, and Node, and many more things. You will learn about the TypeScript and its various features like classes, types, interfaces, models, and other things also on your project. You learn the basics of TypeScript and the way it works. So you will learn the TypeScript in both the theoretical and practical form, and you learn the way the TypeScript compiler works. You learn how to create the workflow with the TypeScript, and this course is for those students who want to expand their knowledge beyond the JavaScript, and it's also for someone's beneficial for those students who are learning Angular. They can definitely go for this course if you're interested and you want to learn the TypeScript. Then go and check out the link given below. So next course is a complete developer guide course of TypeScript, and here you would help you. This course would help you fully understand the TypeScript as you will familiarize with the creating complicated projects, learning famous design patterns, and here you will learn the difference between the inheritance and composition and when they are used. You will learn how to use interface and classes to write reusable codes. You will learn to create reusable boilerplates that you can use in your TypeScript projects. You will understand how deeply TypeScript scan your code for errors. And after this course, you would completely familiarize with the design patterns and making scalable application. And here also you will learn to make your own front-end framework with the beginning. This course is for the JavaScript developers, especially who wish to learn how to create large code bases. And if you are interested and want to become an expert in the JavaScript developer, then go for this course and make you check out the link given below. Again, our next course is a React and TypeScript course to build your portfolio projects. Here you would learn how to make complicated applications with using newest web technologies, and this course is also helpful to enhance your portfolio to make it more interesting and capable. Here you will learn to use Redux middleware in order to handle typical business logic workflows. You will learn to get step-by-step guide to designing and creating projects. You will learn how to administrate a project with a package-based architecture. You learn about Lerina CLI, and you will learn to launch your app on the npm registry for the other to see it. And this course is for the engineers who wants to further enhance their portfolio for the projects, and for the beginners, for the intermediate level of engineers who wants to make their portfolio more interesting and want to learn some newest technologies of React and JavaScript, then go and check out the link given below. So our fourth course is a TypeScript course for the professional. It's a new edition of the Udemy, and here you will learn to use TypeScript in your daily life. You will learn about the basic and advanced topics of TypeScript. You will learn the complicated utility functions, and after completing this course, you would become confident JavaScript and TypeScript developer. You will learn. You would get a fair idea about the TypeScript and its features. And this course is for the programmers who wants to become expert in TypeScript and want to become a TypeScript or JavaScript developer, or make their portfolios more interesting by making the TypeScript projects. Then definitely go for this course. Check out the link given below. So our last course is a Mastery in TypeScript course. Is also a new edition course of Udemy. Here you will learn about everything TypeScript from the beginning, and you learn also include some lessons of the React and WebCap. Also here you will learn how to use React JS with TypeScript. You will learn how to WebCap TypeScript with TypeScript, and you learn about the TypeScript models, class, interface, and many more things. You learn about TypeScript tuples and enums, and you're gonna work with the TypeScript and DOM. And this course is for definitely for the beginners. Is a good quick guide code for the beginners. And if you're a beginner and just started TypeScript, then this course is best for you. Go and check out the link given below. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.